meow, 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 space cats! Good evening and welcome to the Anvil News Sports Update. I'm your host, Garfield the Video Editing Cat.
And I'm your co-host, G-Cat.
Anyway, on to this morning's sports scores.
In Ultimate, we have the Nasty Udders defeating the Funky Monkeys 5-3.
And then, in football, 24-19 for Little Thunder over Action Jack.
And in basketball, we have Gator Dun winning and defeating Clive. And now for Caleb Ritchie for the traffic report.
Well, thanks, Caleb. Well, this has been the last newscast of Anvil Camp 4 2011. It's been great reporting to Sports 2 this year, and I look forward to it next time. But until then, that's all from Meow. I'm your co-host, Jordan.
This is Caleb Ritchie, Anvil News Sports Update, signing off.